Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I came to check my laundry. It was just in the last part and it didn't finish. I have no record or do a video in long time. I have some little of everything, but I haven't done really so much. It's still cloudy here. Yeah. And I've been dedicating my time to Frosty. Frosty's here. Been there. She's having some coffee and everything. Are you okay? He lost a lot of weight. But it's amazing. He is still loving his walks. And we have gone to a lot of walks together. First, we decided to have a walk in this beautiful sunny day. I know that the previous video I left a note there saying the bad news that we got. Well, yesterday we went to the doctor, to the vet, and they did the last test, and the results are not so good. They're doing actually worse. You say that the level of the test is elevated. He got worse, and now he said that only has 2 months after the first shock that we got, cry and feel in the way that we were feeling. We decided that this is God's will, and all that we will do is give this little monster the best that we can and try to make him enjoy everything. And also the doctors say he doesn't look sick. He acts like a normal dog. Only problem that he had is like the eating, sometimes puking, but other than that, he loves his walks, he loves to play, he loves to sit in the porch. Slowly I'm feeding him more and more. Okay, I will stop walking. I will stop talking and just keep walking. In rain, in sun, in everything, and he enjoys them. Is when he comes back from the walks, he feels like better. But since he's not eating too much, he's very weak and no great. Then what else I did? House stuff is not a lot what I have done. I only had time to do the backyard because the grass is growing faster again, but I need to do a lot of cleaning. First in me, give me the stick. Are you fighting the stick, huh? Are you fighting this stick? Okay, you can keep it. Okay. Let's see what we can do in the few minutes that we will spend here with Frosty. We got a sunny day. Let's do a little of magic. Oh, look at you. Look at you. See what you have there.
They got it cranked up in the speakers in the back of the ATV and
Yeah.
right in it.
Wow. Look at me. Look at me. Are you happy there with your little stick? Okay. At least it looks okay. For now.
I'll have to get the weed whacker out.
Yeah, it needs to.
And I'll have to start.
The problem is like, I don't want to leave Frosty alone too long. He's like very, very needy of me. And is coming, all the flowers. And we try to stay together for now. Oh God, the moss. I need to do a cleaning of all that. So that's so far how we are being. Okay, I need to move this as soon as it's ready here and put my blanket. And this baby maybe is going outside today. The weather say that it will get better. Well, after the kind of shower that he got and playing, we will go to sit outside, and I wanna use one of these. I wanna get rid of these boxes, and since I have no read them, I cannot, so we will take this. I don't even know if it's good or not, but well, what is the first number? Let me check. Okay, the second one is 44, and I doubt that I will read until 44. I'm going to sit there, so let's go, Frosty.